Step into the iconic world of The Italian Job with Car and Classic's unique driving simulator. Crafted by SimbiotiX, this simulator is a stunning recreation of the classic 1974 Austin Mini featured in the 1969 film. Retaining the original Mini's pedals, steering, and gears, it offers an immersive experience like no other. Immerse yourself in the world of the Heist, with small details like fake gold bullion in the boot and authentic number plates. Packed with impressive tech, including a powerful gaming PC and a full surround sound system, the virtual driving experience is just as exhilarating. With games like BeamNG.drive and Assetto Corsa as the base, and the flexibility to support various other games, this is the ultimate setup for any racing enthusiast. Bid now on this unique Italian Job Mini Cooper S driving simulator, a perfect addition to your collection or for events. Auction ends October 9th.